Hey, guess what? Guess what? That's right. Look who's back. Brief, very quick. Just wanted you all to know. So Tom's had a heck of a week. He had actually a skin cancer on the back, right on his back here behind the shoulder blade. And long story short, he's doing good. They did a scoop and scrape and scoop. There you go, like a biopsy. So doctor felt confident they got every bit of it. So hopefully that biopsy comes back and Tom's still good. But that's why Tom wasn't here, and I wanted to ask before I volunteered his information out here online. So thanks everybody who reached out. Beth Franklin, Patricia, there's a bunch of you all reached out. Worrying about Tom. He's good, he's back, and we're ready to show you what's going on. We're down to the wire now. Check it out. So now we've got everything situated. That's that one piece that we fabricated. Remember I told you we were going to fabricate that. And it looks so clean, separating that shiplap perfectly with the tile. So we'll get into that here in just a second. I'll show you. And then that's what we always do up on the ceiling line. Again, that's PVC. So it can take the moisture inside the shower, the whole nine, and it just makes the ceiling line transition look super clean. Look at that. So brought that all the way down, and look at the notch there. Slid right into perfection. Back there is silicone. Inside the shower, look, silicone line, straight in, match that gray. Even though it's right outside the shower doors here for tomorrow, it just looked really clean how we pulled all that off. And then all that comes down, skirts that side, and just trims everything. Details, picture perfect. And then how we threw the floor right up on the face and skirted that as well. So the shower and all that is beautiful. Look at that. We wrapped that straight up and down, went around our miters, came right over in the corner. Just made a really pretty look. So there's her hardware. Then her shower head. And then check this out. So here's her new backsplash. So we did the same thing down here. Ran that around, jumped up, and then we tied that backsplash right in. So that sucker looks slick. Just something different too. And this is a skin wrap on this, so you can get water on this right here. Won't be a problem, anything splashing back there. Got her new mirror in, and then Tom, what's up with these custom lights up here, brother?
It's custom color.
Yeah, it is. So we're waiting on our lights will be here, I think tomorrow. We got matching brush gold, single, well updated lights sitting up here. So we'll be putting those in tomorrow. We got the new plug, couple of new switches there. But I mean, all in all, this sucker is banging. It's beautiful. We love it. And again, look, so how we told you all the other day about kind of making your baseboard like that. It's a one-piece tullet. You can see how the tullet is notched out perfectly. So the valve, the supply valve of the tullet can actually be installed right behind the tullet if you're putting in a one-piece tullet. We like these much better. They look sleeker, less of a chance of a leak. Problems up here where the tank is, all those rubber little gaskets, monotonous. So one-piece tullet, definitely the way to go. But all in all, we love it. Hope you guys love it. Everything turned out really cool. And we're going to be dropping in these shower doors tomorrow. They're brush gold also. So we can't wait for y'all to see those. Until the next one, we'll see y'all back.